Welcome to Insightful Value, where we dive deep into companies that many investors overlook, uncovering where the real opportunities and risks lie. Today, we're taking a closer look at Escalade Inc, a company whose stock price has been lagging. Why is it down, and could there be a path to recovery? Stick around. This review is for informational and educational purposes only, not financial advice. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Escalade is a specialty consumer goods company based in Indiana, and it's been around for decades. The company designs, manufactures, and sells sporting goods and recreational equipment. Think of products like basketball hoops, table tennis, archery gear, pickleball sets, and even outdoor game tables, the kind of items that show up in homes, schools, and recreational facilities across North America and beyond. Its brand portfolio includes names like Gorilla, Bear Archery, Onyx, and Steiga, which hold decent recognition in their niches. So, what's been happening lately? Escalade's revenue has seen pressure in the past year as consumer demand for discretionary recreation products softened, especially compared to the surge in sales during the pandemic when people were investing heavily in at-home entertainment. For the most recent financial results, revenue declined from around $328 million in 2023 to about $310 million in 2024, with margins squeezed due to higher input costs and competitive pricing pressure. Net income also took a hit, and operating margins narrowed, dropping closer to 7% from double-digit levels a couple of years ago. That kind of earnings miss often sends investors running, which helps explain why the stock has been trading low. From a dividend perspective, Escalade has been a consistent payer, with its dividend currently yielding around 4% to 5%. The company has raised its dividend gradually in recent years, although the pace has slowed due to weaker earnings growth. That dividend stability might appeal to income-focused investors, but there's always the risk that if profits don't recover, payouts could stagnate or even face pressure. Why is the stock down right now? A mix of reasons. First, consumer spending on non-essential recreational products is under pressure from higher interest rates and inflation. Second, Escalade faces growing competition both from larger global players and cheaper imports, which keeps pricing power limited. Third, margins have come under strain from increased material and logistics costs. Finally, the company's relatively small size makes it more vulnerable to swings in demand compared to diversified giants in the industry. Could the stock recover soon? That depends on a few key factors. If consumer demand stabilizes, especially as inflation cools and disposable income improves, Escalade could benefit. The company has also been working on streamlining its supply chain and pushing new product launches in fast-growing areas like pickleball, which could provide a revenue boost. On top of that, the stable dividend could attract value investors looking for steady income. But risks remain if sales continue to trend downward or margins fail to improve. The stock could stay under pressure. From a value investing perspective, Escalade trades at a relatively low earnings multiple compared to historical averages, suggesting that much of the bad news is already priced in. It's a classic case of a small-cap consumer goods company facing cyclical headwinds. Value investors might see opportunity in the gap between current valuation and long-term brand strength, but others might wait for clearer signs of earnings recovery before jumping in. By the way, if you'd like us to create a review of a company of your choice, we charge only $20 per review. Just contact us at info@insightfulvalue.com. At Insightful Value, our mission is to provide in-depth analysis of undervalued companies. We break down the key data and explain why certain businesses are worth considering without burying you in jargon. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our approach is about making complex financial stories simple and useful. More information about Escalade and many other companies can be found on insightfulvalue.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment with your thoughts on Escalade, and head over to insightfulvalue.com for more of our latest deep dives.